In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the security deposit payments that is paid against any kind of premises acquisition on rent. So here on 4th of January, it says security deposit paid by cash for shop taken on rent. And the total amount is 18,000. So we will go to the accounting tab and click on journal entries and click on new journal. In the reference, I'll just copy this narration. Just copy and paste it right here. The date of transaction is of 4th of January. So let's make it 4th January. Security deposit is an other asset. So I'll just click on search more to see if we already have one. We can search it by sorting it according to type. And we don't have a security deposit. So let's observe the codes. Whatever is free, we will use that. So let's say 129,000 is free. Click new. 129,000 security deposit. It can go under current asset, or we can also categorize it as a non-current asset because the security deposit is kept with the owner till we leave premises. So it might be 5 years, 10 years, we don't know. So it's a non-current asset, but it's not a fixed asset. Click on save. In the label, I'll just copy this narration right here, paste it, get rid of extra spaces. Amount is 18,000 on the debit. On the credit, we are paying it by cash in hand. Label, I'll just paste it once again, and credit is mentioned here. Once everything is finalized, just click on post on the top left and make sure in the accounting and journal entries that this entry is shown right here. So this is how we can deal with the security deposit that is paid by cash in Odoo. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.